How to create or open Oculus account. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can create or open Oculus account. In order to create or open an Oculus account, you'll need to first of all install the application, that is MetaQuest. If you don't have this application, make sure to install it from your Play Store or from your Apple Store. After that, you'll be taken to the login or sign up interface. If you already have an account, click on the login button, which is right at the bottom, and if you don't have an account, then click on set up account with email, or either you can continue with your Facebook or your Instagram account. So select either one of these procedure, whichever is convenient for you. For this video I'm going to go with the email, and now it's going to take me to the web page. Right over here you need to provide in the email that you wish to add it to your MetaQuest account. Here, once you're done adding the email address, click on the next button, which is right at the bottom. Now you need to provide in the first and the last name. Scroll down a bit and click on the next button once you're done with this procedure as well. Now you need to provide in your date of birth for the age verification. Since you're creating an account, you must create a password as well, so go through the above statement and make sure to create the password according to the mentioned criteria. After you're done entering your information, click on the next button, and here you go, you have the information created. So if you're sure about it, then click on this mark on this terms and condition and click on create account. If you feel that there needs to be update, click on change, and then you'll be able to make some changes. Now to confirm your password, you need to enter in the 6-digit code that will be sent through this particular email address, and as you can see, this is the particular verification code that I've received. Now you need to copy this code and then paste it right over here. In order to verify your email address, click on the continue button, which is right at the bottom. Go through all of these steps or just simply skip this part and then click on the next button. Add a profile picture, you can do that as well, or you can simply click on the skip button and then skip and do it later on. Now you need to click on continue as this particular username, and then you've successfully created your Oculus account. So this is basically how you can create a MetaQuest account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.